Hello? Where are you now? I am waiting for you.
Hello. I am still at the station. The weather is very bad.
Why are you still there? Did they announce the reason?
Yes, they did. There is heavy rain and water on the tracks.
Are many people waiting there with you?
The station is very crowded. Everyone is waiting.
Did you find a place for sitting? Did you eat anything there?
Yes, I found one empty bench. But no, I skipped my dinner.
Oh no. Please buy something warm to eat or drink there.
Don't worry. I just bought 1 cup of hot coffee.
Is the train coming now? The children are missing you.
No, it is delayed again. Tell the children I am coming soon.
Grandpa! Grandpa! We came to take you home.
Margaret, look who is here. I am coming home right now.
Thank you so much. I will keep the dinner ready for everyone.